Hi, this is Scott the Fix-It Guy. I'm really happy to announce to you guys that finally we're going to be able to have a membership program for our viewers. And throughout the years, I've always wanted to have something available for you guys where you could take a little bit more part in what we do as a appliance repair channel. And we're going to have three different tiers. We have the silver, we have the gold, and the platinum. And the silver level is great for people that want just a little bit more than the videos, where they get a chance to get first release of the videos where they can review them before the public. And also you get a chance to have really cool emojis for when you do comments. To the gold level is well suited for those people who are appliance repair technicians like myself. And this allows me to get a chance to share with you some things that I do as a appliance repair technician that makes my business really successful. So I've been doing it now for about 30 years and really enjoy it. Learned a lot of tricks along the ways that really help me how to run a really successful appliance repair business. And when we go to the platinum level is going to allow you to have all the same perks that you had before in silver and gold, but now at platinum level I get a chance to work with you each week on how to develop your YouTube channel so that you can make appliance repair videos like I do, and also it will teach you how to run your appliance repair business and how to make really great videos and have a really successful appliance repair channel. Where glasses like these, which I use when I'm out doing my appliance repair, and allows me to use both hands. But we're going to cover all these types of things. I'll be sending you videos, I'll be sending you service manuals, all these different things that will help you to be very successful in running your appliance repair business, and also making really good videos that will help people and can be a very successful business for you.